Hello everybody, and today I don't like it. Anyway, you're gonna be playing this music though. Sorry y'all can't hear it. I'm using this stupid free version of okay, I don't know. Which game? Oh, it's not saying anything else. It's just going Gucci game. This game is stupid. And since y'all can't hear the music anyway, but that's really, ooh, let's play Royale High School. Yes. Ooh. Sorry, I just got carried away. I am doing a squishy giveaway, so I'm going to be giving away bread, little face on it, and this little donut. So comment down below which one you want. You can either comment yellow donut or bread. So yellow donut or pink bread, and the first two comments that I see will get it. And in the comments, give me your email address, and I will then email me your address so I can mail it to you. Because I would like to give people free things. I don't know. It's like recently I just got some Robux, so I just kind of, yeah. Ooh, let's get a locker. Okay, it's 6039. Oh yeah. Anyway, oh yeah, 88250. Oh, forgot my combination. I'll do 4569. This is being dumb. Oh, that was stupid. 4563. Okay. So 4563. Oh yeah. Couple weeks. I am going to be I am wanting to make a server for my fans. So I might make a server, and then whoever wants to join, or any of my actual friends or whatever, if they want to join, then I could record and stuff. Okay, so what is it? Okay, oh, I've got all my books, so whatever. I need to get in here. No! Come on. Oh, it's computer class. Yay, computer class is my favorite. Oh, yay, the chairs got cushions. Okay, I love to type stuff. Wish y'all could hear this music. It's amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. If I sleep in, I'm going to be late for class. Oh, if y'all go to a Little Rock school and you go to Terry Elementary, tell me in the comments, because probably my friend. Sorry, hold on, I'm doing this. And woo! Okay, so anyway, yeah, if y'all live in Little Rock and you go to and you're in the Little Rock School District and you go to Terry Elementary, you're my friend. Well, I'm in 4th grade. Yeah, I know, 4th grade is horrible. But, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we are creating a new friend club. I like pop quizzes in Roblox. Y'all, look at this squishy. I enjoy doing it in the cafe. Yay! I hope I get an A because I always get F's in this game. Well, because I never know where to look. It doesn't tell you where to look sometimes. Okay, I didn't get an A+. I got an A. Who cares? I got the cartoony animation for Christmas. So, thank you. I needed to go down there. This squishy is amazing. And, oh yeah. I just want y'all to know I love my fans so much, even though I only have 8. And I know I don't post very often, but for those of you that still watch my videos, thank you so much. I work so hard. I know it doesn't really look like I work hard, but I really do. And it's just for y'all. It's not just for me, and it's not just for just because. It's just I just love y'all so much that I like to make videos for you, and I know that I hope you enjoy my videos. I hope that my videos are good enough for you to be watching me. And this isn't working, but I just wanted to say thank you because pretty much my only friends. And I don't even really know you, so that means something. Okay, I'm turning off this music. I literally cannot find anything that tells me that I can paint. Okay, so that is going to be the end of this video. And like I said, if you want a squishy, I would comment down below because I have some really good squishies. So first 2 comments, actually, I'm going to pick random squishies. I'll show you the ones that I'm going to be giving away. I have this squishy. It's a pig. It's really, really squishy. These are the ones that I might give away to the first 2 comments. Bread squishy. I love this one so much. It smells pretty good too. Now this one's pretty stupid. I'm probably not going to give this one away because it's so thin. Got this one. It's like a waffle, I think. It's pretty squishy. And I'm going to be giving away also this. It's so cute and it's so squishy. And I like to give things that I like to my fans. And there's a possible chance I might be giving away this Jif Pump Squishy. First comment, I'll give away the Jif Pump Squishy. So that is the end of this video today. I hope you loved it. I hope it was good enough because I know I'm not very good. So I will see you in my next video. Bye!